In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change measurement units and preferences in InCopy. Getting your measurement units set up correctly saves time and eliminates confusion, especially when you're coordinating with designers or working across different documents. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the setting and how each option affects what you see on screen. First, open InCopy so we can make the changes directly in the app. These preferences control how measurements are displayed throughout your workspace, including rulers, margins, indents, tabs, and the overall depth of your story. Setting them once can help keep your entire workflow consistent. With InCopy open on Windows, go to the menu bar and choose Edit, then Preferences, and select Units and Increments. This dialog is the central place for adjusting how the application interprets and displays measurements. If you've ever been puzzled by a ruler showing picas when you think in inches or millimeters, this is where you switch it. Inside the Units and Increments dialog, look for the horizontal units. This controls the left-to-right ruler and affects things like margins, indents, and tabs. Choose the unit system that fits your project or team standards, such as inches for print workflows in the US, millimeters or centimeters for international print specs, or points and picas if you're aligned with traditional typography. The goal is to pick the unit that makes spacing decisions feel intuitive. Next, adjust the vertical units. This governs the top to bottom ruler and the story depth, which is essentially how InCopy measures the length of your text. Selecting a vertical unit that matches your layout needs makes it easier to gauge copy fit and ensure your text aligns well with the intended layout or column depth. You can also customize the tick mark spacing on the rulers when you select a custom option. Tick marks are the small divisions on the rulers that help you measure at a glance. Setting a sensible subdivision, like eighths for inches or a logical fraction for picas and points, creates a ruler that's easier to read and snap to. Pick values that match how you naturally think about spacing. When you're happy with your choices, click OK to apply. Your rulers and measurement fields update immediately, and you can revisit these settings anytime if your project requirements change. Choosing consistent units across your team helps avoid errors and speeds up production, especially when matching a designer's specs. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to work in InCopy with units that match your workflow.